Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step the easiest way how you can buy DogeMoon token. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you use Google Chrome and under contracts so you can see straight away it's running on the Binance Smart Chain. If you don't know what this means, don't worry, I'll explain everything. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you use Google Chrome and go to metamask.io. So MetaMask is a really easy to use online virtual wallet that you can install for Chrome. Hit install MetaMask for Chrome. It's an extension, create your account and then go to the top two extensions and open MetaMask. So here is MetaMask and you want to change the network to Binance Smart Chain. But if you just downloaded it, it won't be there. You want to go to custom RPC, use Binance Smart Chain name. This is the URL, but I'll put everything here in the description down below. So you can just copy paste. Then this 56, BNB and BC scan. All of this is in the description below again. Then hit save. And once you hit save, you want to go back to Binance Smart Chain and now it will look like this. So in order to buy the DogeMoon, we first have to add BNB to this wallet and then later swap it to DogeMoon. So this is what we want to do. You want to go to Binance. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can create it through the link in the description for lower fees. Then go to wallet, to fiat and spot. And we are going to send some BNB to MetaMask. So go ahead and type in BNB, this one, hit withdraw, and then we are going to withdraw it to our wallet. So I can do it right now because I have this thing, but you just want to go to MetaMask, then copy your account and paste it in here, paste your address in here, and then select the network. The network will be automatically Binance Smart Chain, so that's great. Then enter in the amount and hit send. So once you hit send, the BNB will come up here like within seconds. Within seconds, the BNB will show up. Once it showed up here, you want to go to a website called pancakeswap.finance. So now we want to connect our the PancakeSwap website to our wallet. So you want to go to the top right, log out first, go to connect, hit MetaMask, and boom, now you're connected. Then go to the left, hit trade, exchange, and we are going to change the BNB to the token we want. So let's go to connect again, so it's sometimes a bit buggy, and there we go. Then go to the CoinMarketCap website again, copy the address that's in here, go back, select currency, paste it in, and now DogeMoon. And now we can select, for example, 0.1, and this is the amount of DogeMoon you can buy. And obviously I can do it because I have insufficient BNB balance, but this is just what you can do. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.